Hey there, Dr. Mark McCawley here with McCawley Periodontics, and today I'm going to talk about what causes root sensitivity. So root sensitivity happens when you end up getting some of your root exposed. Normally your root is not exposed, the gums cover it up. But over time, especially if you're brushing hard and after braces, sometimes that gum can shrink down and you end up getting some of that root exposed. The more root exposed, the more sensitive it is prone to being. There's also different things like acidy drinks, things like that can make it worse, but the primary cause is just exposed roots. And a lot of people want to know, how do I get rid of it? Well, there's a few different options. Some of them, the older style, you can do some gum grafting, things like that, but we've actually been part of a revolution in root coverage, and that's the pinhole surgical technique. The pinhole surgical technique is much more atraumatic than the traditional grafting techniques, and we're able to actually, where you've got that root sensitivity, where you've got that recession there, we're able to pull the gums up as gently as possible. So that's something that we can do to help you out. So if you think you have root sensitivity and possibly having some recession, come on in, we can check you out.